Deadlift. With a dumbbell deadlift, typically you're going to want to start with the dumbbells right on top of or right in front of your toes. They could be just outside your feet or just inside your feet, depending on if you want a wider stance or a narrower stance for your deadlift. And the wider and the narrower is just going to change the way your hamstrings or the back of the thigh are going to incorporate the engagement and the movement up out of the deadlift. With the deadlift, you can incorporate knee bend, but you don't want to turn it into a squat. You don't want to bend your knees so much that it becomes a squat movement. It should be primarily a hamstring or back of the thigh and glute or butt engagement type movement. And keeping your abs engaged, your chest nice and proud, you're bringing those dumbbells up and keeping the dumbbells in front of the thighs at the top part of the movement, and then bringing the dumbbells back down. You don't necessarily have to have the dumbbells touch the ground for it to be a complete rep. It's whatever your functional range of motion is.